Education Collaboration Trust. We are here at Siphosethu to see the outcomes of the work that has been happening between, in a collaboration between UNICEF, PNG, and the Department of Education here in KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the NEC team. I think what we see in here is that when government creates opportunity for the private sector to support and to assist, and where there is an existence of organizations such as the NEC and UNICEF that facilitates the collaboration, good things happen, like the building that we have just seen, refurbished, using local labor, involving local people, contributing not only to the building but also to the strengthening of the relationship between the community and the school. And we believe that that strengthened relationship actually helps in maintaining the investment going forward.
And I'm also going to repeat the same question that I did ask Muriel, in terms of what are some of the challenges that you saw the team go through on the ground, and how were you able to then overcome them?
So one of the big challenges in refurbishing the building was, of course, how quickly we could get off the ground. The number of protocols that you have to go through, building standards, agreements with the various partners, and leadership from the department on how to actually construct the building. A befitting challenge that we dealt with was also to find local contractors and local labor, and make sure that the stakeholders in the community are well briefed about the intentions of the refurbishment project. That said, I think it was done very well, to the best of our abilities, and in a very short space of time we were able to have the work start off, and everybody was involved was happy with how and who was brought into the whole process.
Thank you so much.